Hello, my name is Wilmer Ricardo. I want to invite you San Jose de Urem. It's a municipality in the department Córdoba. It's a magical place to visit. To enjoy the place, you can do in the one day. To wood, you can travel by car or motorcycle. During the trip, you can visit the religious centers. In the desert, to say cultural events, you can also swim in the river. You can stay nearby hotel or if you want a family house. You can drink lemon juice or if you want watermelon juice that will help you dehydrate. You can also eat very delicious fish sauce. The cost of the packing for $14 can enjoy while your family in magical place. Gracias.